Do you like being hungry? How about just generally being uncomfortable? Or what about taking something you do as a hobby for enjoyment and relaxation and turning it into something that you need to be successful at, or else you'll be extremely uncomfortable and stressed? If you answered yes to one or any of those questions, then stick around, because I didn't bring any food, and for the next 24 hours I'll be trying to catch fish so that I can put them in my belly. We've got a couple of portages to get through first, so let's get to it. I already made a little friend. Told me his name is Jimbo. Jimbo, the destroyer of worlds. I release you, Jimbo. Be merciful to any worlds you encounter. Yeah. Let go! Now I know what you might be thinking. 24 hours, you're trying to fish for your food. Jesse always catches fish. I want to catch a fish so bad. Hey, do you guys know where the fish are? Not only that, but he always catches fish of great size. Number one. Well, there is an unforeseen obstacle that we have to overcome here. One that I think may make or break this situation. Due to lack of planning and foresight, I have overlooked the fact that this lake, you cannot keep largemouth bass. This could be a big problem. That's a problem for future Jesse. Now Jesse is gonna get set up. Man, this spot is beautiful. It's really great. I don't know if I'm gonna eat for the next 24 hours, but if I'm not gonna eat for the next 24 hours, this is a pretty good place to do it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff set up and then probably get some firewood, because I know, number one, if I catch a fish really late and I'm very hungry, I'm not gonna wanna collect firewood. And number two, if I don't catch fish, then I'm really not gonna wanna collect firewood. I don't know if I'll have a fire or not, but I'm feeling fine now, so now's the time to get it done, I think. Now, I'm definitely not a forager and I don't really know anything about it, but there's like one plant that I know about so far, and that's wintergreen, and there's stuff all over. I'm pretty sure you can eat their berries. If you break up their leaves too, it smells really, really nice. I think some people make tea out of the leaves too. Dang, I found some raspberries too. I did not expect this. That's cool. Well, we're pretty much set up here, good to go, and I'm definitely getting hungry. There's one thing left to do, let's catch a fish. I'm not super confident, but I think if we try to find some worms or something too that we can take out there with us, at least we have an option of maybe jigging for some panfish. Where are the worms? They're not where they're supposed to be, clearly.
Where are they? Where are the other worms going?
Struck out on the worms. I don't know, we can try jigging. No other way to find out than try. Okay, I think I'm gonna try trolling a crankbait first. That way I can kind of see the layout of the lake too. Dinner, 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 dinner would be awesome. Oh, I just missed a fish. I don't know what it was, but it's at least encouraging that I can get bites out here. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It's fine. It was a largemouth. If I was allowed to keep the largemouth, I would be so confident right now. I've had 4 on already. Now I haven't landed any, but I'm not confident that I will catch anything else. We're on. Wait, no, okay. Yeah. Hey, fish in the boat at least. We got a fish in the boat. Still a beauty of a fish. Nice little largie. Oh, let's let him go. I think I'm gonna head in for a little while, take a break. So the wind is pushing me around a lot. It's kind of windy, and I'm expending a lot of energy just trying to keep the canoe straight. Jigging for panfish or crappie or something is not gonna happen. I kind of can't really believe I overlooked this whole fishing regulation. Mistakes are mistakes though, I guess. There's no changing it now. Oh, I am hungry though. We will try again in a little while. We will try again. Well, hey there. Gonna give it another go. I think I'm gonna try to work the shoreline because it's still a little bit windy. Hopefully the wind kind of dies down so I can get in the boat, but I'll try working the shoreline. It'll probably just be largemouth that way for sure, but you never know. That all. Oh my God. Too much energy. Another largemouth. Also, the difference between a largemouth and a smallmouth, if you don't know, largemouth are a lot more green, smallmouth are a lot more brown, and then you're gonna see this dark stripe down on the largemouth. Smallmouth will have like kind of different patterns on their body. Hey buddy. Dude, are you serious? I'm right here. There's an entire lake out here. I don't care, I got one. I don't care. It's another one. Good news is I'm catching fish, so if I was allowed to eat largemouth, I'd at least be eating tonight, buddy. Wind has definitely calmed down to some degree. I think we're gonna try jigging some of the deeper water. See if there are any maybe crappies down there or something. Wait, actually? That was the most hope I've had in a while. I gotta say, the largemouth in this lake fight better than any largemouth I've ever caught. So, good on you guys. See you later, pal. I'm hungry. Oh my gosh. These guys are spunky out here. Another largemouth. Pretty similar size, all of them. Just gonna try trolling this crankbait a little while longer, but if I catch fish, I think I know what it's gonna be. We got another one. You guessed it, it's a largemouth. Ta-da! Well, we won't be eating tonight. Certainly not for lack of trying. Although, quite possibly due to lack of foresight and planning. But that's on whoever picked this lake for this video, so I'm not gonna worry about it. It was you! Oh, I don't think so. You booked it, you planned it, you did everything. Don't listen to him. He doesn't know what he's talking about. You were the one who planned it, you didn't do it right, you did it bad. It was you. Don't listen to him. There's somebody else.
It was you the whole time.
Listen to me. What? Trust me.
Yeah.
Don't listen to him. I think I'm gonna build a small fire and just enjoy that for the night and then turn in after that. Might as well use some of the wood that I worked so hard for, and then I'll probably leave the rest of it for the next person that comes here. I'm sure they'll appreciate that. I think I'm gonna go to bed. I'm tired. The faster I go to sleep, the faster I get to eat at some point tomorrow. So, honestly though, I had like 5 wintergreen berries maybe today, and I'm pretty stuffed. Anyway, I'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Good morning. Still feeling absolutely stuffed from those 5 wintergreen berries yesterday, so, you know, feeling pretty good. But I think I have like an hour and a half to go before I hit our 24 hours, and then I can get myself a little bit of food, so.
Are these blueberries? Dang, if I knew anything, I could be feasting, apparently. I gotta learn stuff. It's definitely a little brisk this morning. It got down to like mid-40s last night, which is really nice. I love sleeping in that temperature. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then I'm gonna get packed up. I was thinking about this last night and this morning, so I'm trying to figure out if this is like a failure or what. I mean, I obviously caught plenty of fish, so, you know, I don't think the goal here necessarily was to like catch a fish and cook it, but just to put me a little bit outside my comfort zone, to do something that I wasn't really sure that I could do, and I did that. And so I think it's definitely a success. Did it, came out here, didn't eat anything for 24 hours. I'm gonna paddle my way out, get through these 2 portages, and then go get myself some food. I found this thing. I don't know if it's I think it's a fungus. I think it's kind of rare. I don't know exactly. I don't remember what it is, but I'll try to find out for you. Pretty cool though. As always, thank you so much for joining me on this one, and we'll see you in the next one.